Hello everybody, welcome back to RLL Studio. One of my favorite things to do in Minecraft is mod the game to my liking. I love changing an already amazing game and making it something more. Playing with one or two mods is complex enough for those who don't have much experience with modding, but what do you do if you want to make a largely modded experience with tens or hundreds of mods? Today, I'm going to cover how you can make a cohesive mod pack by giving you useful tools and tips I have learned over the years. Figure out what you want the mod pack to be about. Is it a vanilla plus mod pack? Maybe it's a mod pack that makes Minecraft into an RPG, or maybe your mod pack is based around one mod and consists of multiple add-ons for that mod. This is something you should figure out so you know what types of mods you should be looking for. You will also need to decide what mod loader you want to use, as some mods are not available on every loader. Some examples of mod loaders are Forge and Fabric, but there are a few more that you can choose from. Figure out what you want your mod pack to be used for. Is it just for you, or do you plan to create a multiplayer modded SMP? This is a good thing to keep in mind, as you might want to ask other players what types of mods they want to play with. You might also want to keep performance heavy mods such as immersive portals out of a multiplayer experience. Develop the mod pack. For this, I recommend that you either use the Modrinth or Curseforge third-party launcher. They both make it a lot easier to search for mods that you can add to your mod pack. Remember to keep in mind the limitations that you may have set in the previous steps. If you're going for a vanilla plus mod pack, it might not be the best idea to add crazy tech mods just for one or two cool features. A good tip while mod hunting is to look for mods that seem to have a long lifespan, meaning that the developers are less likely to abandon the mod after just a few updates. Just because someone made a mod doesn't mean that they are required to update it. Keep in mind this is the longest part of the process, as you may have to wait for some mods to update if you're using the latest version of Minecraft. Test your mod pack. It's a good idea to test all the features of your mod pack before finalizing it. You want to make sure there are no compatibility issues between mods. This is something I recommend you do frequently during the development process, as if you have a mod that ends up causing many errors, you can easily remove it during testing. It is also a good idea to report these issues to the developers of the mod, as it helps their mod become more compatible with other mods in the future. Helpful dev tools. You might want to remove or change certain elements that a mod adds without removing the mod entirely. For example, you may want to remove a specific block from generating in the world. There are quite a few tools out there that can help you accomplish this. I'll leave a link in the description for the full list, but here are a few mods that I recommend that you use. Performance mods. Maybe you have a pretty beefy PC and you can run hundreds of mods with no problem, but that might not be the same case for your friend running the game on a 6-year-old laptop. It's a good idea to add mods that increase the performance of the game for others that might not have the greatest hardware. Especially since you're running a modded environment, those mods take up a lot more processing power than if you were to run the game without mods. Finalizing the mod pack. Once you've added the majority of the mods you wanted in your mod pack, it's time to release it. You can either do that by publishing it on Curseforge or Modrinth, or just by sending the list of mods you used to a friend or larger audience. Whatever you choose, it's best to keep updates to the mod pack minimal, as others will have to re-download the mods to stay up to date. Trust me, people start to get annoyed when they consistently have to manually update hundreds of mods. Anyway, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope this video was somewhat useful to you. The mod pack that I used in the background footage for this video is my own mod pack, which I will be using in a new reboot of Origins, so keep an eye out for that. I may be posting it on Modrinth when the Origins series reboots, but no promises right now. With that said, I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye!